In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check junk mail in Yahoo. We'll start from the Yahoo homepage. Open your web browser and go to yahoo.com. At the top right of the page, look for the sign in option and click it. On some screens, you'll see a second sign in prompt. Go ahead and select it to continue. If Yahoo shows you an existing account, choose it to proceed. If not, enter your email address in the field provided. Press enter or click next to move to the password screen. Carefully type your password, then press enter to sign in. If Yahoo asks you to verify your identity, simply follow the on-screen instructions and you'll return to the home page when you're done. Once you're signed in, head to the upper right corner again and click Mail. You may see Mail listed more than once or as an envelope icon. Click it to open your mailbox. Inside Yahoo Mail, look to the left sidebar. This is where all your folders live, including Inbox, Drafts, Sent, and the one we need, Spam. The spam folder is Yahoo's junk mail area, where messages that look suspicious or promotional are automatically filtered. Click spam to open it and view what's inside. Take a moment to scan through these messages. Newer emails will typically appear near the top. Be cautious with anything that seems unusual. Avoid opening attachments or clicking links unless you're absolutely sure you recognize the sender and were expecting the message. Many phishing attempts land here, and treating the spam folder as a read-only safety zone is a good habit. Here's why messages land here. Yahoo's filters weigh sender reputation, wording, and user feedback, so an occasional newsletter or receipt might be misfiled. A quick periodic check helps you catch those without cluttering your inbox. And always sign in only on the official, secure Yahoo site. If you were expecting a message that didn't arrive in your inbox, this is the first place to check. Keep in mind that items in the spam folder are not stored forever. Yahoo routinely clears spam after a period of time, so it's smart to review this folder periodically so you don't miss time-sensitive mail. And that's it. Go to yahoo.com, sign in, open mail, and click spam in the left sidebar to review your junk mail. Following these steps ensures you can quickly find misplaced messages while staying safe online. Thanks for watching, and if this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any part as you follow along.